In this video, I will teach you how to create app in AppSheet. The first thing you need to do is to go to appsheet.com website on your browser. If you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to click on the Get Started button right here and sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. But if you already have an account, all you have to do is to sign in and log in. Now once you're logged in, you just have to automatically be able to see the dashboard. Now to create or make a new app, all you have to do is to click this create button right here and click on app and start with existing data. Now you can name your app and choose the category of the app that you will be using. Let's say the name of the app is people right here. Now all you have to do is to choose your data right here. After that, you will be choosing where will you be getting your data. It can be AppSheet database, Google Sheet, or Google Forms, or new sources that hasn't been explored. So for this tutorial, we'll be using Google Sheets. Then you just have to choose a Google Sheet file from your Google Drive. You just have to scroll down until you see that specific file and click on Select. Make sure your sheet is structured like a table with column headers. And after selecting your data, AppSheet will automatically generate a basic app for you. It will create a menu, list views, forms, and even let you add new records right away. Now your app has been generated. Now to customize that, all you have to do is to go to the UX tab right here, the mobile icon right here, and you will be able to change layout or themes or use the data given to you. Now to go and edit columns and structure, all you have to do is to click on the data button right here and you will be able to customize it right here. You can also rename the app and upload an icon and set user permission under the info and security tabs right here. Now to test your app, you can click on the preview icon at the top right. You can use this, tablet form, or even desktop form right here. Once you're all satisfied, you just have to click on save and your app is ready to use. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.